Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you create YouTube scripts using Bard Google AI. So this is basically an updated version of ChatGPT most likely because uh, ChatGPT is limited to only resources and information dating back to 2021. But with this AI, it can go up to 2023 and it is updated today. So let's get started. So for this one, you have to search first the top 10 YouTube high CPM niche. So like that, and wait for that to finish. So as you can see, it has examples here, and you just have to choose what you want here. So for example, I choose this. So all you have to do here is just paste it and search, type in uh, to make you a YouTube script. You should state if it is for informational or whatever. So you just have to wait for this to finish again. So all you have to do is follow this one. And then you can use this to finish up your YouTube video. And you can then edit your videos this way. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.